fellow YouTubers, this is Amber. If you guys do not know who I am a plus size model, YouTuber, and entrepreneur. Welcome to my channel. My channel is mostly about lifestyle, fashion, and beauty, but today I will be doing a wig review on this wig right here, and I'm gonna give you guys all the deets on this wig. So if you guys want to see this review, stay tuned. So today I will be trying on this freetress wig right here, and it is the luxury integration wig, and it's in the style Letty in a 1B. So it says here that this wig is an invisible part and is hand tied, styled with your own natural hair, enhancing your style and length. Soft and flexible handmade invisible part wig is easy to maintain. Adjust the width of the part with ease using attached wig clips. The handmade front bang is light and soft and gives you a natural style. So far I've liked a lot of the freetress wigs. Like, I don't know how this one is gonna look, but we're gonna go ahead and try it on. This wig actually come in a lot of different colors. As you can see, all of the different numbers down here. So we're gonna go ahead and take the puff off of this area, and I'll tell you guys what I think of the hair. I'm actually going to pull out a little bit of my own hair in the front and just pull a little bit of hair out in the front. Now this hair kind of reminds me of like yaki hair a little bit, but it's more of a coarse, thick, yaki hair. This is why the packaging says that this will blend right into your hair if you pull your hair out, because it is like a coarse hair. And as you can see, if I get a little closer, it's really quite thick. This is what the curls look like up close. So that is what it looks like. I think with this hair, because it's almost like yaki hair, you should definitely comb it instead of brush it. And there is shedding, so I have about this much of shedding. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is some type of shedding. Now I'm gonna just try to make sure this bump is out. So this hair is more of a yaki texture. It's very coarse. It blends in well with African American hair. If my hair was like blown out and wand twisted or whatever, it does have a roughness to it. The shine is not very lustrous. It is pretty much like it lacks a lot of shine to me. It kind of just resembles real natural black hair in some ways, but you can shine this up with serum, of course, because synthetic wigs can use a little serum and it still works. Another thing about it is I don't like how they kind of cut these layers a little bit short and then have all this long hair. I think it all should have been one length. So I don't really like that because I just don't like this popping out to the side like that. So that's why I try to razor it off. Of course, there's a cone area thing here that you have to lay down, and I think you can lay it down with a stocking cap, in which I'm going to do. I'm gonna lay that down with a stocking cap and make sure it is completely flat, kind of like that. It would look so much better, more sleek at the top. It actually sheds a whole lot. And yeah, so I mean, the heat didn't really do much to it. I think you got to make the heat a little bit higher than 400, even though it says it's only 400 degrees safe. This is pretty long hair. I think it's about 26 inches. I don't think you would be able to see this wig convert into a rougher texture because it's already rough. So it's going to take a while for you to see it actually convert. And I think when it converts, it's going to mat up. So it's best just to keep pulling this hair apart and combing it. So if you brush the hair, hairstylist told me if you brush synthetic hair, the wig gets ruined a lot faster. So you don't want to do that. So I would just take a Y2 comb and keep combing it through. And then when you want to store it, put it in flexi rollers. And I think that this would preserve the wig. I think the wig is pretty nice. It needs some little tweaks to it, of course. And over time, I think I could tweak it out the way I want to wear it. But this is as good as it's getting right now. It's really hot in this room and I don't want to keep putting heat on it. And I do live in California, so it is pretty hot. So now you can see how poofy this is when you don't have product on it. It can get really, really poofy. The pros that I do like about this hair is it's completely long. It's already in a yaki texture, so I like that it's already kind of in a coarse texture to mix in with my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.